I have ZTE Axon 7 and let me show you how to enter here the save mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's here tab restart and tab restart one more time. So now let's be prepared to start holding volume down, and as soon as phone vibrates, let's start holding volume down. So now let's start holding volume down and keep holding this key until the save mode pops up on the screen. Excellent, the save mode is right here, so you can now unlock the screen and start using your device in a save mode, so without the third-party apps. So it's really useful when you would like to check out how your device works without this app. And if you would like to go back to a normal mode, let's start holding power key, tab restart and tab restart again. Let's wait until your device will be ready to use. Alright, the home screen pops up, so now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.